Hello, welcome to your September glitter box. Your glitter box is crammed full of goodies, but this month we've included an extra special mug painting craft kit. This video will give you some pointers and helpful tips to help you get the very best out of your mug painting kit. Okay, in your craft kit you will get a mug and 2 deco pens. The colours will vary depending on your box. Just to let you know, you will also need a few sheets of kitchen roll. Take your mug and deco pens out of the bag, then wash and thoroughly dry your mug. You can then get really creative with your deco pens. Okay, so when your mug is nice and dry, start off by taking off the top of the deco pen. Give the pen a good shake, get your kitchen roll, and push down on the pen nib until paint starts to come out. These are brand new pens, so you might need to press down on the pen between 10 and 15 times before the paint starts flowing. As soon as the paint starts coming out, grab your mug and start decorating. Literally draw on whatever you want. Obviously, we had to make our very own unicorn velvet mug and we added loads of hearts. The great things about these pens is that if you make a mistake, just grab your kitchen roll and wipe it off. The paint is also buildable, so if you feel like the colour isn't bold enough, let the paint dry for a few hours, then get your pens back out and redraw over the design. So, when you've painted your mug, you can't use it just yet. It needs to be cured to help the paint stick. To do this, get an adult to set the oven temperature to 180 degrees or 160 degrees if you've got a fan oven. Then put the mug in the cold oven, close the door, let the oven come up to temperature and leave it in the oven for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, turn the oven off and leave the mug in the oven to completely cool. This sets the paint so it won't chip off easily. When the mug has cooled completely, take it out of the oven and fill with your favourite drink. Just to let you know, even though setting the paint in the oven has helped the paint stick to the mug, it cannot go in the dishwasher. The decorations will pretty much just melt right off. As long as you hand wash your mug with a soft cloth and warm soapy water, your decorations should last. Don't forget to send me your mug decorating pictures. You can catch me on Instagram, Facebook, or send me an email. Hope you enjoy your craft kit. Bye!